Welcome to the Chinese restaurant at the Coral Sea Aqua Club. This is the menu, so I'll let you pause the video here just to have a look at what all the different options are, and I'll tell you how it works. You get one stay at this restaurant each time you stay at the Coral Sea Aqua Club. So if you go for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you should get one stay per break. However, a little tip first of all, we tipped him the first time we went at the end because it was amazing and he deserved it. And he gave us an extra stay totally for free. So this is our second stop where, to be honest, it gives a little bit of special treatment. So anyway, from the menu, you get to pick one starter, one main course, and one dessert per person. Obviously, the drinks are all inclusive as well, so you get as many drinks as you would like. And as you can see, he comes and puts a plate of prawn crackers on your table. If you want to ask for more, they will bring you more as well. We had 2 or 3 plates of these throughout the meal. And then you get dropped off a bunch of chopsticks. Now, these are the starters we ordered. So I ordered the spring rolls, and you can see the crispy duck over there. But he also came and put the satay skewers, I think. He also came and gave us some extra ones as well. Again, this is a little bit of special treatment that we got. I think because we tipped him well last time, so he was like making up for it basically. This is the kids' meals. So Noah had a burger and chips. Loved it. It was absolutely brilliant. And then this is the rest of our starters finishing off before we moved on to the main course. I had the sweet and sour chicken this time. There's some crispy duck there. And then again, he put some extra mains in the middle and another crispy duck. I think it was like an orange chicken in the middle there, something like that. But yeah, the food was honestly fantastic. And then extra bits of rice and noodles that you order with your mains. And then I had the deep fried ice cream for dessert. Both times it was brilliant. You get bowls of ice cream for the kids and anyone else that wants them. I think Ryan there had a chocolate brownie with some ice cream on. And then I think Shannon has some ice cream too. And then we got like these kind of creme brulee things and a fruit plate put on the table as extras again at the end.